अस्सलाम वालेकुम। पेडागॉजी mcqs स्टडी सेट की छठी वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर है और स्टार्ट लेते हैं अपनी वीडियो का। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द थीसिस राइटिंग इज द सेम एज द रिसर्च dissertations. Which of the following are the basic rule of the APA style of the referencing format? Right answer is all of the above. Male and female students perform equally well in the numerical aptitude test. This statement indicates null hypothesis. The main purpose of the research in the education is help the candidates become an eminent educationalist. What is the most important challenge before the teacher? Making the teaching learning enjoyable. Primary data for the research purpose be collected through both A and B. Survey and the experiment. Which of the following statement is correct? Right answer all of the above. A satisfactory statistical quantitative method should not possess one of the following quality: flexibility. The longitudinal approach of the research deals with the long-term research. Which of the following does not come under the method of the data collection? Spatial. The sociogram technique is used to study human relation. A common test is the research demand much. All of the above: objectivity, reliability, usability. We are the factorial analysis to know the difference between the two variables. The research is always all of the above. Circle graphs are used to show how various parts are related to the whole. Identifying the correct sequence of the research steps: selection of a topic, reviewing of the literature, data collection, interpretation of finding. Which of the following sampling method is the best on the probability? Stratified sampling. Research is not considered ethical if it does not ensure privacy and the anonymity of the respondent. A research problem is not feasible if it consists of the independent and dependent variable. Which of the following are the characteristics of the seminar? All of the above. What is the research design? Sampling of the people, newspaper, television or program, etc. Sampling error decreases with the increase in the sample size. The main characteristic of scientific research is all of the above. Biography given in the research report help those interested in the further research. What do you consider the main aim of the disciplinary research? To bring the holistic approach to the researcher. A college wants to give training in use of the statistic package of the social science SPSS to the researcher. For the college should be organized workshop. Type 1 error occur if the null hypothesis is rejected even though it is true. Dash is the required for an effective communication. Charming personality. Dash is referred to the inferior inductive reference refer to the inferior about the whole population based on the observation made on a small part. Newton gave three basic laws of the motion. The research is categorized as a fundamental research. In the large random data set given a normal distribution, the ratio percentage of the number of the data found which are in the range of the right answer is 65%. Manipulation is always the part of the descriptive research. How can the objectivity of the research be enhanced? The right answer is all of the above. The importance of the correlation coefficient lies in the fact that it allows one to determine the degree or strength of the association between the variables. The history of administration goes back to 500 BC. The basic purpose of supervision is to help children learn more effectively. The basic purpose of the supervision is to help children learn more effectively. High and low achievers are reported out by the discrimination for Ramartro. Dramaturgical interviewing is carried out through role-playing. Suppose you want to investigate the working efficiency of a bank in India. Which one of the following words will you follow? The mutual stage sampling. The cash book is maintained by DDO. The father of the modern theory of management is Henry Ford. All government grant and expenditure is maintained in the cash book. School budget include developmental expenditure and non-developmental expenditure both. Supervision is not to control the teacher but to work cooperatively is the saying of the Hoy and Forest. Which is not the type of administration? Instructional administration. Boss is the right is Peter of authoritarian administration. Limited to qualitative descriptions of the pupil's performance is measurement. The effective supervision is indicated by helping teacher becoming more self-sufficient. The level of the school administration can be judged through learning outcomes. Person who possesses the qualities of the leadership is leader. The cash book is maintained by DDO. Person who possesses the quality of leadership is leader. Objective type question have advantages over the essay type question because such a question are easy to mark. The next question is the objective type question. The assess achievement at the end of the assessment, or the assess to assess achievement at the end of the instruction is summative assessment. Who educated bureaucratic theory? Right answer is Max Weber. Summative evaluation is certifying judgment. Stop development means stop training stop. The summative evaluation is used at the end of the program. Microplanning is done in the middle and the lower management. Deconstruction is a popular method of the research in literature. The correct option of the MCQs is answer. The power of concentration in the hand of the one or the few people is centralization. A researcher is interested in studying the